Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the watch is charged and you know both the watch passcode and your Apple ID password. This is essential because activation lock links to iCloud. Once done, open Settings on the Apple Watch or the Watch app on your iPhone. You start the erase process immediately. On the watch, go to Settings, General Reset, or in the iPhone Watch app, choose General Reset. This step initiates the only supported full reset pathway. You now execute the erase. Select Erase all content and settings and confirm. If you see a cellular plan option, make a deliberate choice. Keep it if you plan to pair again, remove it if you're selling the watch. Then enter the watch passcode. When asked, enter your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. The watch will show the progress circle. Do not interrupt it. This completes the internal wipe and prepares the device for repairing or transfer. If you can't access the watch interface, you can erase it on the charger. Connect to power, press and hold the side button until power options appear, press firmly on power off, then tap Erase all content and settings to initiate the same wipe. Once erased, make sure to remove the watch from your iPhone's Watch app and from Find My So activation lock is cleared. If things go wrong, sign out of iCloud or use Apple ID account recovery to remove activation lock.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.